Well, independent medical examinations occur whenever a claimant has been on workers' compensation for a period of time. They're now no longer treating with the panel physicians, the so-called company doctors, and the employer or the insurance company needs to determine what the status is. Has the claimant fully recovered? Or if not, what kind of work can they do? We need to have the patient examined by an independent physician to see if the opinions of their doctors are the same as what the independent physician comes up with. IMEs can be done twice a year generally, and all my clients really utilize them mostly to try to get somebody back to work. If the IME doctor says they're fully recovered, we offer them their full duty job back. If they can only do light duty, we try to find something that's within their physical capabilities. And what happens in these cases, if the claimant does not return to a job that they are found capable of doing, their benefits can be suspended. So that's what we use them for. That's an expensive part of our practice. The IMEs are expensive. If it goes to litigation, the depositions of the experts are expensive. But if it comes down to it, that's pretty much how it works in Pennsylvania.
I hate to sound cynical, and I agree with Matt. It is an expensive part of the litigation for the insurance companies because they're really not independent medical exams. They're defense medical exams. They're not an IME, they're a DME. If an insurance company is going to pick a doctor to examine an injured worker, they're not going to go pick an honest, impartial, independent doctor. They're going to pick a doctor that's going to say what they want them to say. So if the doctor says too often, oh wow, this guy's hurt really bad, he should stay on workers' comp, he's not able to work, they're going to get rid of him. They're going to hire the doctor that says what they want. And Matt's right, it is very expensive for them. They have to pay this doctor thousands of dollars to give these opinions, take his testimony, and hope that the judge buys it. Now, you know, we see all kinds of DME doctors. Some are more credible than others. And Judge Haken sees them all. He sees it all. And sometimes he'll see the same doctor again and again and again for the insurance company. And I think that there's some issues about credibility. And it is a very expensive part of the system. And that's unfortunate.
Oh, I think George is right. A doctor that's used too much, who seems to give the opinion that the insurance company wants every time, will not be believed. And his opinion is useless. I'm not going to pay several $100s to have somebody examined by a physician that no judge will believe. So we're always on the lookout to find different doctors to try out. We try to tailor it to the specific kind of injury. We want the specific kind of specialist who's going to issue a credible opinion. And I'm sure if Judge Haken sees the same doctor in 4 cases in a row, he's going to figure out that that's just a popular doctor because he gives the opinion that the insurance company wants. It's not what we want.